Hi, this is Maninder and today we are going to learn how to install Anaconda setup in our system. This is Windows system as you can see. So on this Windows system I'm going to install. So for that we need to go to our Google, and in my Google we can type like Anaconda download. The very first link itself we will get Anaconda, Python or R distributions. We can go to that link. So this is the official website for the Anaconda. And when we are installing Anaconda, at that time it is giving us flexibility to install a lot of libraries, lot of IDEs, lot of notebooks, which is very much helpful for Python development or data science development, machine learning, you name it, and everything will be there. So it is very much useful. So here you can see there are some names are there like NumPy, Pandas, Jupyter, Spider, a lot of things are there. And the good thing is that this Anaconda distribution is platform independent. You can install on any kind of operating system, which may be a Windows, Mac, or Linux, anything you just want to install. So here we can see like Python 3.7 and Python 2.7. Previously we used to work on Python 2.x, and currently we are using Python 3.x, which is very much helpful and very much faster and very much giving good facilities to developers. So based upon your requirement, like it is 64 or 32-bit graphics, you can go and download that one. So for me it is uh, 64, so I'm going to click on this one and directly it will going to start. So I have already downloaded this setup, so I'm going to that one. And for that, here is the Anaconda setup, that is for 64-bit. So simply I need to go and double click that one, then you will get this one, and simply you will go and click on next, click on agree. Here two things you will get, like just me and all users. Like in our system there are many users are there, like administrator, guest, or yourself. There are different kind of users are there, and you just want to install it for all the users. At that time you can go and install for every, you can check on this one and it will install for everyone. And you just want to install in a particular user itself, then you can click on this one, then click on next. And this is the directory where you just want to install your Anaconda. So if you want to do that, just remember that the required space is 2.9. This much space, at least 5 GB space should be there in the system, so that you can install and work on that. So or else you can go and browse, we just want to install, then click on next. Yeah. Why I'm getting this one? I'm getting this one because I have already installed Anaconda on this directory. So I just want this PC, then data. Okay, here I'm uh, demo. Okay, on this folder I just want to go and install D drive demo, then click on next. Here two things you will get, like add Anaconda to my path environment variable, or register Anaconda domain default Python 3.01. So what I just want to do, when you are, look, if we are not checking this one also we can install, or if we want to check this one, means this is telling that like when we are working like Java or some other language, at that time we need to set a path variable or environment variable in our system. So based upon that, if you want to register your Python to your environment variable, at that time we need to check this one. So here it is giving something like not recommended, or when we are checking this one, it's already registered, because I have already registered this one, I have already installed this one, so I am getting this one. So just simply check this one and go to install. So it will be install all the things in my system. Yeah, this is going to install all the things. So meanwhile what I can do, uh, during installations we are getting some issues, like I'm going to show that one, what kind of issues we are getting. Like Anaconda is not able to install, or some kind of issues we will getting generally when we are going to install on our Windows 7 message. Generally we are getting like a 3.x version only when we're installing, like 3.7 or currently the list is 3.7, where we installing 3.7 at that time we are getting that error. So on to overcome that one, here we have some links are there, like this is a repository where we have all the version of Anaconda is available. Sometimes in our Windows 7 it is not support the latest version, so we can go and check Anaconda. Look, this is Anaconda 2, 3, everything is there. So we can go and we'll go for the not latest but some old versions we can go and install so that it will work. So I'm going to tell you how these things is look like when we install Anaconda in our system. So first of all we need to go and we can type Anaconda in our window bar. So we will get this Anaconda navigator. This is the Anaconda navigator. Then you will see Anaconda PowerShell command prompt. This is not the Windows command prompt. This is a command prompt for Anaconda itself. So simply I'm going to this one. It will take some time. Yeah. So when we are seeing this one, when you will open this one, you will see like there is a notebook called Jupyter Notebook, ID called Spider, Visual Studio ID, R Studio, Jupyter Lab, all the things you will get. And here in environment itself you can see there are a lot of libraries are already installed. Install libraries, then not installed, these are the libraries that we have not installed or updated. Everything you can sort that one and learn data science, or we can work on data science. Thank you for watching. And one more thing, I'm going to share this particular repository link in my description section. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.